Om Swastiastu. Hello everyone, my name is Nilukutur Nita Ulansari from class 2C Tourism Business Management number 25. Now, I will tell you about one of the religious event in Bali, namely Kuningan ceremony. The word Kuningan comes from the word Yuning, which means remember, and Kuningan can also come from Kuning, which means prosperous. The feast of Kuningan is celebrated every 6 months, exactly 10 days after Galungan Day. Kuningan ceremony itself means that we as humans promise ourselves, nature, and God to always win the good and defeat the bad. Kuningan is interpreted so that we always remember the victory of Dharma, then we moral message delivered from the types of Banten in Kuningan. At the time Kuningan was used with a support which was a symbol of surplus in war. As for several types of sampian used on Kuningan. The first, Tamyang. Tamyang is often interpreted as a symbol of the gods Nawasanga, who became the master of the 9 cardinal directions. Tamyang also symbolizes the rotation of the natural well or dial disk that refers to the understanding of light that is likened to the wheel rotation. The second is Endongan. Endongan is interpreted as a tool or container to place supplies, in which enlivening life must have sufficient supplies. The symbol is symbolized by an arrow. The days before the Kuningan feast is Penampahan Kuningan Day, which falls on Sukra Wage Kuningan. Usually, this Penampahan is used as a day to prepare food and offerings. The first dish made is satay, like to pig satay or chicken satay, and the second meat is lawar. Lawar, which is a mixture of vegetables and chicken meat or pig meat. Vegetables for lawar itself are usually made from jackfruit, beans, young coconut, then mixed with seasoning that have been formulated. The next day, Saniscara Kliwon is called Kuningan. The feast of Kuningan falls on Saniscara Kliwon Wuku Kuningan. The Kuningan celebration takes place in the morning when the sun begins to rise. Hindus believe that worship on the Kuningan day should be done before 12 am because the energy of the universe rises since morning and the rest is peak at midday. The most important thing is sincere intention and sincerity for self-introspection. And at this Kuningan day, Hindu people usually pray around several in the temples and make yellow rice as a symbol of prosperity and offerings as sign of gratitude as human beings. Receives a gift from Sangyang Widiwasa condition can be drawn through the celebration of the Kuningan Day that we remind to always remember this squeezing, encouraging social unity and solidarity. And people are expected to always remember the environment so as to create harmony in the universe and each context, and will not forget to remember giving thanks to God, Ida Sangyang Widiwasa, for all his gifts. The series of activities or tradition at the time of Kuningan, namely Malalawang. Malalawang with the embodiment of Barong Bangkung, dominated by children to enliven to mood. Okay everyone, that's all story about Kuningan ceremony. Thank you. Om Santi 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 Om.